Creating short, shareable clips from long videos has become essential for anyone making content today. Whether you are a business, a creator, or a podcast host, you need tools that help you repurpose video fast. Two platforms that stand out right now are Vidyo AI and VEED Pro AI. Both promise to save you time by turning long videos into polished clips, but they take slightly different approaches. Let's break down how they compare and which one might be the easiest for you to use. Vidyo AI is built around one clear goal: turn your long-form content into social-ready highlights automatically. You upload a video, and within minutes, it generates short clips based on what it thinks are the most engaging moments. It uses AI to detect speaker changes, high-energy parts, and key phrases. The result is a set of ready-to-share snippets that already feel designed for social platforms, like TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. The layout is optimized for vertical video, and it adds captions automatically, which is a big time saver. The best thing about Vidyo AI is how simple it feels. There are almost no settings to get lost in. You can upload, wait a bit, and the tool handles everything, from clipping to captioning to resizing. You can still tweak the captions, trim clips, or change the aspect ratio if you want. But it is designed to do most of the heavy lifting on its own. Now, VEED Pro AI is a bit more advanced and offers a more complete editing environment. While Vidyo AI focuses on automation, VEED gives you both AI-powered tools and traditional video editing features. You can repurpose videos, yes, but you can also record, edit, add branding, remove background noise, generate subtitles, and even translate captions automatically. It is like having a full editing studio powered by AI. The AI tools in VEED Pro have become smarter recently. They can summarize videos, find key moments, and suggest where to cut clips for maximum engagement. But the biggest difference is that VEED gives you control. You can customize layouts, add logos, overlay text, and adjust the pacing of clips. That means it is not just for quick repurposing. It is also for teams that want to maintain a consistent branded style. So which is easier to use? Vidyo AI clearly takes that title. You upload your video and it finds the best moments for you. It is ideal for podcasters, YouTubers, and social media managers who just want fast, good-looking clips. Which one gives you more creative power? That goes to VEED Pro AI. It can do what Vidyo does, but it also lets you shape the final product exactly how you want. If you are a solo creator or small team that just wants to post more often without spending hours editing, Vidyo AI is your best friend. If you are part of a brand or agency that needs polished, customized, and branded clips at scale, VEED Pro AI is the smarter investment. Both platforms show how far video repurposing has come. Vidyo AI is effortless automation. VEED Pro AI is creative control with AI support. Whichever one you pick, you will spend less time editing and more time growing your audience.